Hello everyone, welcome back. This is an update of my Google Glass project. If you haven't seen my first video of the version, I guess 1 of this prototype, you can go check out one of my videos in my channel. This is a new model I've created, a bit more slicker, better design. As you can see, made out of plastic. There's the prism, which I'll talk about today, and how to make one. These are buttons for the camera, which is at the front here. There is a switch, turn it on, SD card, and a power jack, and a battery, and all the electronics are in there. Everything's running on Arduino with a few modules. So let's turn it on. So nice little lights come on. Right, there you go. You have a screen. It's just using the standard library, graphics library, a little demo. I put a little bit of a tint, a limo tint on the front, because it's difficult in daylight to see it, so it does really help. Yeah, so that is my new model. Now I'm going to discuss how to make the actual prism. So here I've just built one. If you can see that, oh, there, focus. Yep, so if you can see that, let me show you it working first. There you go. So that's working. All it is a OLED screen. It's a mirror on the other side, and a 45-degree angle piece of acrylic in the middle. So that's it. It's very simple to make. You just make sure you have your 45-degree angle piece of acrylic in the middle. The front should have this bit of edge on it, so the corner starts from there to there. That's the front. The mirror is at the back to reflect the screen, make it the right way up. If you look on the other side, you can see it's the wrong way up. See? So this is the way you'll be viewing it on this side. Pretty straightforward to make, and again, it all depends on your screen size. So I'm using a 0.96 OLED screen, and I find it a bit big. So this is my new version I'm going to be building, and I'll be using an Arduino Nano, oh actually it's a Mini, Bluetooth to connect to the phone, and I'll be taking out a lithium battery charger from one of my old projects and a battery, and that's about it. And hopefully I can make another unit smaller, so you can see it's definitely going to be smaller, probably half the size of my previous one. Try and keep the same design, but to show you, this is Google Glass, the actual size. Hopefully, I'm not too sure about the dimensions, but I think it is. So I'm trying to shrink this down as close as I can to this. Obviously, if I use a smaller screen, then I can do that. That's the only downside I have. So this is not too far off, but you get a lot of width on the top, which I don't like. So I'm actually going to build another one in a couple of weeks with a tiny screen. It's a 0.5 OLED. You can get this on AliExpress. Unfortunately, the one I've got is faulty, so I'm a bit disappointed, but you can see that this will be perfect to build a Google Glass product. So I'm waiting for that to come through. Oh, there you go. It's my Arduino Uno just doing my running the screen for me. So yeah, that's an update of where I am with my project. I have ordered some metal rods to kind of bend into a frame for the glasses. So keep watching. I'll give you an update soon. More videos to come. And in the meantime, while I wait for my materials to come to build the frame and this mini version, I'm going to be building another one of these glasses. So I'm trying to get better at it. This is a 1mm, I think a 0.5 or a 1mm plastic acrylic. Easy to cut with scissors, but unfortunately when I try to do bending, it's slightly off, so I'm not too happy about that. I want to kind of make it as perfect as possible. So yeah, if you got any questions, leave it in the comments. Subscribe. Also, if you have anything you want to add in terms of how to make it better, let me know. Yeah, and if you make your own, give me a shout and we'll see how you guys get on.